this question, we need to find the roots of this equation, x squared plus bx plus c. To find the roots of an equation, we use the quadratic formula, which is x equals minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, for this to have what we call real roots, we need to be able to calculate this sum, we need to be able to do this sum. So for this to have real roots, we need to be able to take this square root. So you can see that you've got this bit under a square root. And hopefully you'll know that we can't take the square root of a negative number. So in order for this to have real roots, that value has to be bigger than 0. And we know from here that the a value is just 1. There's only 1x squared. So I know that b squared minus 4c has to be bigger than 0, or that b squared has to be bigger than 4c's. And all you need to do now is have a look at what numbers from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 can you put into that to make that true. Okay, for the second question, if it tells you that things are collinear, that means that they're on a straight line. They all lie on the same straight line. So what they're basically saying here is that you've got a point C that's at the coordinates 11, 2. You've got a point B that's at 8, 1. And you've got a point A that's at the point A minus 1. And you want to show that they all lie on the same straight line. So what you know, if that's the case, is that the gradient from here to here, so that would be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, you could work that out, has to be the same as this gradient from A to B. If they're on the same line, they'll have the same gradient, which will be 1 minus minus 1 over 8 minus A. And hopefully, if they're the same, you can then work out your A value.